Hi, this is Greg Lowe. This is another video in the SDU Tools series called List Constraints with System Names. When you're working with SQL Server, it's important that constraints actually have names that you allocate to them. If you don't allocate a name, the system will provide a name, but the problem with that in SQL Server is that there are many operations you go to do against tables and objects where you need to know the name of the constraint. So if you have system name constraints, that's not actually helpful. Now that's quite different to some other databases. So for example, if I go to drop a column in SQL Server and there's a default, I have to remove the default first. That means I need to know the name. That's not a problem in other databases like Postgres, for example, where when you delete a column or drop a column, it removes any constraints associated with it anyway. So it's more important in SQL Server to do this. Now, if we look at this tool here, so as an example, if I go to the Wide World Importers database, and I'll just alter the sales invoice lines table to add a default of 0 for tax rate. Once I do that, if I change to this database and I say, look, list constraints with system names in that Wide World Importers database and all schemas and all tables, let's have a look. And that then identifies this as one that the system has created a name on. If I go back in here, let's actually remove that constraint and pop back, and that'll remove it. And of course I could have renamed it or alternately recreated it. And so look, we hope that you find this tool useful.